everyone, we are starting our next at-home, I don't want to know if I want to call it summer camp or just activity week, but last week we did Star Wars. This week we are doing ocean theme. So the way we decided to go ahead and do it is we have our movie idea jar, and this is what we use for all of our at-home movie parties and things we've been doing on weekends. But we decided for the rest of summer it'd be fun. They had so much fun doing the Star Wars week that we're gonna do another theme week, and we're gonna take week by week at a time. It's Sunday, so tomorrow we're gonna start ocean theme. What we decided to do was to take our movie theme jar, take all of the ocean themed ideas out, the first 5 ocean themed movies in here out. They'll get one movie a night after dinner, and the rest of that day the activities will be planned somewhat around that movie, and I'll take you along through the process as we go. Right now I'm going to draw out the 5 ocean themed movies. Okay, if they're not ocean themed, throw them towards me. If they're ocean themed, spread them out. Keep going. I know we have ocean themed ones in there. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down.
Alice in Wonderland. This is driving me bonkers.
I know we have ocean themes in here.
Zootopia.
11.
Are you kidding me?
Keep going. 12. What was that?
Big Hero 6.
13.
We should do a whole week on that last one.
14. 15. I know we have ocean theme ones in here. 16. 17. 18. 19. Keep going. 20, 22.
Yes! Finally! Yay!
22 movie ideas later. We have Finding Nemo and Finding Dory. So we'll do those on 2 separate days. So we have 2 movies down, 3 to go.
Oh wait, this one counts. Lilo and Stitch.
Lilo and Stitch counts. I will let Lilo and Stitch count.
Little Mermaid.
Alright, that's 4. We need 1 more.
Avatar counts?
Nope.
Oh, wait. This Avatar is the other Avatar, not Nickelodeon Avatar.
So the 4 ocean themed movies that were left in our jar we're gonna give Lilo and Stitch, just because I want to do Lilo and Stitch, and I think we can do some fun water theme with that. Finding Nemo, Finding Dory, and Little Mermaid. We need 1 more movie.
The last one?
What do you think the last one should be?
Dolphin Tale 1 and 2.
Yep, we could do Dolphin Tale 1 and 2. Alright, so there's our themes. The reading portion of the unit study we're using today is from Natural Beach Living. That's where you can reach out to her. I will link her blog below. I am not using 100% just her this week because we're changing it up. If you want today's Little Mermaid for us. If you want a full Little Mermaid one, I will link year-round homeschooling's link for her. Little Mermaid movie party, unit study, activity to do. But since we're only doing Little Mermaid for 1 day, I decided not to go with that one and just piece together several little individual things for our ocean themed week. So what I did was basically, as I was putting everything together last night, I started sketching out what I was going to do. Started sketching out a food supply list for grocery pickup, hopefully on Friday. Hopefully, we're going to see. And I went ahead and I tried to do reading every day, because one thing I liked about the year-round homeschooling packet we used for Star Wars was it had some creative writing packet things, but there wasn't as much reading because it was based off Star Wars, and we only have 2 Star Wars books.
One's a comic book.
and one's a graphic novel.
Comic book.
Graphic novel. Comments below. Do you call them graphic novels or comic books if it's a comic book in a hardback book setting? Anyways, so what I did was I did 1 through 5. We did go ahead and I added a 5th Disney movie for day 5. Originally we were going to do 4 Disney movies. Madeline actually thought of a 6th one. So we'll see if we actually have time to do that 6th one. We might do it Sunday night, let the kids watch that one while I'm doing food prep for the week or whatever. So day 1 today, we're going to be doing reading from the packet that I showed you the link to Natural Beach Living's blog. We're going to be reading the first half of the packet of her ocean unit study for that. Not going to show that on camera because it's actually part of her copyright. So I try not to do anything that violates anybody else's copyright because I would want them to have the same respect for our videos. So we're also going to do we're going to do reading each day. We have the packet for day 1 and 2. Day 3, 4, and 5, I have checked books out on Tennessee Reads, which is our online library program for ebooks, audiobooks, videos, things like that. I did 3, 4, and 5 book. I downloaded books for days 3, 4, and 5. But I also downloaded extra books for the kids to just be able to read on their own for independent reading time if they want, and they can download them onto their tablets. So we're going to do that. We're going to do a craft every day. We have a movie for every day. We have a worksheet to do each day. And for Saturday, we're going to do a density science experiment in between watching 1 and 2. The other goal is that we're going to be doing water parties every day, as long as it's not thunderstorming or raining outside, and do different water themes for that. And like I said, I've got some other ideas, things I just jotted down, and then I've got a short supply list of things that I need to go ahead and pick up for Saturday. I went ahead and planned this on Sunday, and then we're starting it on Monday, so everything here was stuff we already had. We don't throw them, we slingshot them. Not the camera. Please don't slingshot the camera. So for budget purposes, we're going to start with 6 each. Next time I make it to Dollar Tree, I'll probably pick up a couple more packs. But we got 6 each. They can't cross the stick in the middle of the driveway. And we shoot at each other. Ready? Get set. Shoot. You cannot pick up any that land on your opponent's side. You can pick up ones on your side. No hitting faces. You can pick it up. It didn't go over. Nat, that's on their side. At least it rolls slower than a soccer ball. No, Sarah, pull it back and slingshot
Did I
it.
hit you?
Not with the camera.
Oh, man.
Aim for her. So from here, the goal, now that we're finished with the splash party part, is to basically let them have free time to either chat with friends or finish up any projects that they haven't finished up to complete so far, and just let them do like basically kind of some of the things, whatever they want to do, not have it quite as strict as like definite, you know, have to have something every minute of the day. Just try to give them a little bit of room to just do things that they want to do and express their creative selves with their own personal projects going on. So y'all ready for the movie party part?
Yep. Sure.